idlamlenze iphinde kwabhalwa ngalo abantu kwi-Daily Sun bathi Khuzani historical Orkant nomination. Sisho kanjalo-ke isilungu asazi ukuthi-ke u-Orkant usho ini kodwa khona kubhalwa kanjalo. Sizobheka kudaba laphana ukuthi lithini. Top singer Khuzani Mpungose continues to break boundaries in Maskandi. The 35-year-old star from Kandla, KZN, is the first Maskandi musician to be nominated for an international award. Khuzani, who has scooped more than 20 awards in Mzansi, including Summers, has been nominated for major categories at the Hollywood and African prestigious awards, Okungamahaba Awards. The Ijele Hitmaker is nominated for Best Independent African and Best Male Artist under African category. The awards ceremony will take place at Wilshire Apple Theatre in California, USA on Saturday, 1 November. Khuzani, who has been in the music industry for 15 years, is regarded as a Maskandi king because of his extraordinary work and breaking many boundaries in the genre. He has broken many boundaries, including being the first Maskandi musician to fill up Moses Mabhida Stadium and invite President Cyril Ramaphosa. He won Ukhozi FM ingoma ehlolwa unyaka twice and achieved many milestones. His nomination at the international level marks a defining moment for the Maskandi genre. The genre was previously known as music for rural villages and men hostels. Khuzani told Daily Sun that being recognized on an international stage like the Harper Awards is a reflection of how far Maskandi has come. Khuzani, who started his music career in 2011 and climbed to the top, recently celebrated his 15th year anniversary in music with his fan called Blue Nation. Khuzani normally wins all the competition and top awards voted by the public because of his many loyal fans who vote in numbers. He is currently organizing his fourth annual picnic, Xolisa Spring Picnic, with a lineup of different genres. It will be held at Hollywood's Best Kings Park Stadium in Durban. Isho kanjalo-ke i-Daily Sun ifakazela-ke ukunominate kwakhe uKhuzani kuma-Harper Awards azobele e-USA eLos Angeles. Udaba-ke belibhalwe uJabulani-ke langa-ke sesithande ukuthi uma kunezinto ey'thize ey'thinta abantu bakwaMaskandi ney'thize nje ey'nokuthinta uKhuzani ukuthi-ke siyithathe siyibeke la ephalazweni abantu bey'bone nanokuthi yena kuMaskandi ukhona kuzona zonke iy'ndawo. Akukho lapho usungawuvimba khona. Lapho ongakafinyeleli khona nakhona uyangqongqoza and futhi lowo mnyango leyo izovulwa. Kuyajabulisa nanokuzwa ukuthi yena entweni enjengale ethinta umculi kaMaskandi bathi iyaqala ukwenzeka. Abantu-ke beqhubeke njalo-ke belindele-ke izinto ey'thize ezinhle esezokwenziwa abafowethu zintokazi zakwethu ngoba lokhu kusho ukuthi khona abasazolandela nakwezinye iy'ndawo futhi sisazovelela singamabhinca siwomaskandi ukuthi yena sesikhona sizobeka umaka wethu-ke eqhubekele insizwa-ke ivelele emsebenzini wayo. Nisakahle sizodibana ngokuzayo. Ngiyabonga.